So this is my product. Everything looks good. However, I can't lock this position here. The one in front is working properly. This one here, you see? But not this one. So I can't lock this one. It remains unlocked. Just like this one too. This one here doesn't lock. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Everything is in place, but it's not working.
All right, it looks like they have a different range that you could do the poles, which is easy for me to do. But I was hoping, I measured everything before I ordered this, and it looks like, I don't know if I can make it fit, but I might be able to. I think so. Let's see how it goes.